What is up, guys? We are in the Marriott Villas and the Beach Towers in Fort Lauderdale. Tomorrow we going on Harmony on the Seas, so make sure you guys watch those videos. So we have this room, basically the room that we had last time. It's a one bedroom, and then we have a room over there, and we're gonna connect it. But let's go watch this room. Watch it quick. Push it through. Take a look. Baby. Beautiful room with a jacuzzi.
Do we have more than one balcony or just one?
Two. This beautiful kitchen with a closet. I believe this is where you guys washer and dryer are. Refrigerator, cabinets. This is where we slept like last time. Pull-out bed right here, table, everything. Now let's see the view in the first room.
So y'all had a two-bedroom before?
No, we had like this one before.
Oh, the pull-out sofa.
So this is room one. Time to room two. Alright, guys, we are right next door. This little mini kitchen. It's like a connecting room. Little baby bathroom and a shower. I ain't got his shower room before.
Y'all got your own computer.
Closet.
Really?
Here's the bed, everybody. There's also a pull-out couch, but I'm sleeping on the bed. I don't know about this. And of course, little mini balcony. Oh yeah, that's official. You know, right next door is ours. Cruise ship terminal, right there. We have yachts, mansions right here on the intercoastal waterway. You have to watch some cars, you know, sometimes Ferraris and Lamborghinis and Porsches go by. And so yep, this is from Fort Lauderdale, Marriott Villas, Beach Place or Palace, I don't even know. I didn't really get a good look, but yeah. From Fort Lauderdale, guys, and it's not that expensive. I believe it's kind of expensive for one night for both of the rooms. I believe it was about $350, so it's a little expensive. But if you're willing to maybe pay a little bit extra money for maybe a nicer hotel or more of a resort style feel, and maybe you're here down here for a couple days, or because we were here down for a week. But we got like a membership or something like that, so it was cheaper, but for a week. But yeah, if you're here for a couple days before maybe a major cruise or something like that, and you're willing to spend some extra money, definitely check out the Marriott Villas in Fort Lauderdale. Definitely, that should definitely be on one of your lists. But it's an amazing place down here, and the poolside's amazing. So check it out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.